Hi children, today you are going to learn 7th class 5th chapter, that is properties of triangles. Already we have discussed what are the properties of triangles and what are the theorems we are going to get, and exercise number 5.1 and 5.2 we have already discussed. Here in this video let us learn what are the problems are there in the exercise number 5.3. Okay, let us see that the first questions, there are three internal questions in the first bit. See that find the value of the unknown x in the following triangles. So they have given a triangles here. Let me draw it. This is the first one. So here is given x degrees. Here they are given 50 degrees. Here they are given 60 degrees. Okay. Then the second one. This is the second one. Here they have given x degrees, and here we need to find. Okay, here they are given 30 degrees. It is Q, it is P, and it is R. So next, the third one you need to do it. Okay. Then let us find out the x value. As we know that from the properties of triangles, the sum of three angles will give us 180 degrees. Here triangle ABC. So first one, solution. Sum of three angles equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We know that when we add these three angles we get 180 degrees. Then only it's called triangle. Then let us add here angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. From that angle A is x degrees. From the figure angle B is 50 degrees. From the figure only angle C is 60 degrees, and that equal to 180 degrees. So here x 50 plus 60 degrees is 110 degrees. That equal to 180 degrees. This 110 degrees will transfer this side, so that x equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Hence here we get 70 degrees. Simple. The angle x is a 70 degrees. 50 plus 60, 110, more 70 degrees is required to get the answer. So here similarly I do it. In the same way you have to do it, then only you get a chance of getting full marks. So here we know that it is a right angle triangle, so that it will be definitely a 90 degrees at the angle P. Then we need to find out the angle x, that is angle R, wherever the x here. So by the angle sum property of a triangle R0, sum of sum of three interior angles of a triangle, sum of three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Here what are the interior angles? P, Q, R. So let us write angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Angle P is that 90 degrees. We know that it is a rectangular triangle. Angle Q is 30 degrees plus angle R is x. That equal to 180 degrees. So 90 plus 30, it is 120 degrees plus x equal to 180 degrees. This 120 degrees to transfer this side, so that x equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Else we get the difference is 60 degrees. So it will be a 60 degrees. See that 90 plus 30 is 120. 120 plus 60 will give us 180 degrees. I hope you got understood. The third one, similarly, you need to do it from the beach. So already the two angles are given in the question. You have to find out the third one. By the angle sum property only we are going to find out in this complete exercise. So see that in the second bit there are 6 internal questions are given. Let me go for that. Here P, Q, R, it is 120 degrees and it is Y, it is 50 degrees and it is a X degrees. This is the first question. Okay, one by one, let us solve it here and we'll see what's there in the further. We need to find out X and Y both. So, by the linear pair, here we know that sum of these two angles will give us 180 degrees. Or not, if you doesn't know that concept, let us see that here sum of two interior angles equal to exterior angle of the triangle. So, see that by that concept, sum of two opposite interior angles equal to exterior angle. Here 120 degrees is a exterior angle of this triangle. So for this exterior angle, these are the opposite interior angles. Let us add these two. Sum of these two angles equal to exterior angle. We have learned already property. So x plus 50 degrees is equal to 120 degrees. This 50 degrees you transfer this side. X equal to 120 degrees minus 50 degrees. So x equal to 120 minus 50 is 70 degrees. Here we get 70 degrees. Now see that in these two angles we know that one is 50 degrees, then the other one is 70 degrees. So next one we can find out easily by angle sum property of a triangle. Or not, sum of three interior angles. Sum of three interior angles of a triangle will give us 180 degrees. What are the three angles here? We know that x plus 50 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. Here x plus 50 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. When you add these three angles, we get 180 degrees because they are in a triangle. So x equal to, already we got 70 degrees. So let me put 70 degrees plus 50 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. 70 plus 50 will give us 120 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. This 120 degrees, so transfer this side as y equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, that equal to 60 degrees. So angle y equal to 60 degrees. And not, sum of these two angles equal to 180. Here already 120 is given, so more 60 degrees are required. So in this way also you can do it. You can go for the any method. Okay. Then already we know the linear pair of condition in the fourth chapter itself. So you can also go for the any method in that. Then there are many internal questions in this second bit. So for that I will go for some of them in the second bit only. Here it is a 80 degrees is given. This is x degrees. It is a 50 degrees. It is y degrees. So R, S and T. So see that we need to find out the x. X is a vertically opposite angles. Okay. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. So I can say that here x equal to 80 degrees because these two are vertically opposite angles. Here x equal to 80 degrees. Here x and 80 degrees are vertically opposite angles. Then sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees. Then sum of three interior angles of triangle RST is equal to 180 degrees. I have written a triangle name here, nothing to worry. So x plus 50 degrees plus y, x plus 50 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Already know that 50 degrees is not, x is nothing but a 80 degrees. 80 degrees plus 50 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. 80 plus 50 is 130 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. This 130 degrees you transfer this side. Y equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees as y equal to 50 degrees. You got clear answer, I think so. So the next problems from this bit, directly I am going to do it. We have to solve it in the same way what I have solved till now. Just I am going to draw the diagrams and directly I will solve the problem. Second bit, and remaining all the problems I will solve here directly. So I am giving you a clue that how to solve the problems. Okay, you know the procedure that how to maintain your notes. So know the procedures. Directly I am going to resolve here x, y and all the problems. Okay, let me draw all the diagrams first, and then the fourth one. This is 60 degrees. This is x degrees. This is y degrees, and this is at 30 degrees. Here A, here B, here C, and here they have given A, M, N. Okay, then let me go for the fifth question. Let me go for the fifth question here. A triangle EFG in this, here they are given 90 degrees. Here we need to find out it's the y. By watching itself we can say the answers. Here also x. So the next one is sixth one. Yes. Here ETL, L, E, T. Here they have given x degrees, here also x degrees, and here also x degrees. So we need to find out the angles here. Directly I am going to do it. Just look at that, how I am going to give you the answers here. Okay, then see that here x is nothing but an external angle of these two triangles, that means triangle. So here external angle is x equal to what? 50 plus 60. 50 degrees plus 60 degrees. Else x equal to what? 110 degrees. So x equal to 110. 110 plus, see that, or not we will go for that. Sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees. 50 plus 60, 110. Plus more 70 degrees is required to make a 180 degrees. So here y equal to 70 degrees. Or not sum of these two angles equal to 180. Already it is 110. More 70 is required to make a 180 degrees. It is finished. Now next, see that vertically opposite angles are equal. Here x and 60 degrees are vertically opposite angles. So they are equal. Now see that it is already x equal to 60 degrees. Here 60 plus 30, 90. Here y equal to should be equal to 90. Then only it forms a triangle. 90 plus 60, 150, 150 plus 30, 180, finished. Then y equal to 90 degrees. Here see that these two are vertically opposite angles. Y equal to 90 degrees. See that this is 90 degrees there. Then these two angles are same, x and x. That means in both are same angles. If both are same angles in the sense, here already 90 degrees are completed. This 90 degrees they have to share equally. That means x equal to 45 degrees and this x equal to also 45 degrees. 45 degrees here, 45 degrees here. 45 plus 45, 90, 90 plus 90, 180, satisfied. See here, all these vertically opposite angles are equal. Here x, x, x. So interior angles also equal to x. Sum of these three interior angles equal to 180 degrees I said. So x plus x equal to 180 degrees. Sum of these three interior angles equal to 180 degrees. 1x plus 1x plus 1x. 3x equal to 180 degrees. 3 is multiplying to x. You transfer this side, become a division. Then x equal to 180 degrees by 3. Here 3 ones are 3 6 are 18 and 0. Else x equal to 60 degrees. So I hope you understood this bit now. We go for a third bit. There are 13 questions in this exercise 5.3. So here we have to solve very clearly in the notes so that we can understand how I done the first two problems. In the same way you have to do it these problems. And see the third bit. What is the third bit? Find the measures of the third angle of a triangle whose two angles are given below. Two angles are given, we need to find out the third angle. Simple. Okay, let us assume here first angle A equal to suppose 38 degrees and angle B equal to 102 degrees. So actually the question is like that. The first question 38 degrees, 102 degrees. Two angles are given. We need to find out the third angle. So the two angles, let us assume like angle A and angle B. We need to find out the angle C. We know that sum of three angles equal to sum of three interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. See what are the angles? Let us assume that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Suppose angle A is given 38 degrees, angle B is given 102 degrees, angle C we need to find out that is then that equal to 180 degrees. So add this both you will get 140 degrees. 140 degrees plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. This 140 degrees to transfer this side, hence we get angle C equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees, hence angle C equal to 40 degrees. Therefore the third angle is 40 degrees. So in this way we can write. Okay. Then see that the remaining questions also will be I have to do it in the same way. Let me write there are three questions, so let me do it. A 2 here. The second question here 116 degrees, 30 degrees. Okay, let us find out the third angle of this triangle. Okay, let us find out the third angle of the triangle. Okay, let us assume this is angle A equal to 116 degrees and angle B equal to 30 degrees. The given two angles are like angle A and angle B. We need to find out angle C. So sum of three interior angles of triangle equal to 180 degrees. So angle A equal to what? 116 degrees plus angle B equal to 30 degrees plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. This both you add it, you will get 146 plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. This is 146. You transfer the side, that become minus it. So 180 degrees minus 146 degrees. Then angle C equal to, subtract here, how much you will get? Here 34 degrees you will get. 34 degrees. So angle C equal to 34 degrees. Therefore the third angle is degrees. So finish. The third one from this bit, you need to do it by yourself. So the third question is that one is 40 degrees, the other one is 80 degrees. 40, 80 become 120. 40, 80, 120. The remaining should be 60 degrees. That will be the answer. Just prove it by the proof. Then the fourth question. The fourth question you see here. In a right triangle, one acute angle is 30 degrees. Find the other acute angle. In a right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, one of the acute angle equal to one of the acute angle is equal to what? 30 degrees is given. Then we need to find out the other acute angle. In right angle triangle, you observe always, if it is a right angle triangle, here the two acute angles will form. However, it is a 90 degrees, we know it. Here one of the acute angle is 30 degrees is given, the other one we need to find out. So sum of the interior angles of a right angle triangle equal to 180 degrees. Not only right angle triangle, any triangle. Sum of three interior angles equal to 180 degrees. One angle is definitely in the right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. The other acute angle is given. The first acute angle is 30 degrees. The other acute angle, let us assume like a x. Okay, this will assume like a x. Then we get the x value. Then the other acute angle will be x only. 90 plus 30, the sum will give us 120 degrees. Plus x equal to 180 degrees. This 120 degrees to transfer this side. X equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. As x equal to is a 60 degrees. Then for the other acute angle is equal to 60 degrees. So I hope you understood this question also. There are again questions. Let me solve here. Say true or false for the each of the following statements. They have given a true or false here. Just if you look at the page number 101, then you will get the questions. State the true or false for the each of the following statements. A triangle can have two right angles. No, a triangle cannot have a two right angles. Suppose see the first statement is false only. If you see, suppose it is a triangle. Here there is a 90 degrees, and where you take the one more 90 degrees. If it is a right 90 degrees, it comes like this. It will not form any triangle. So a triangle cannot have two right angles. Mind it. And next, a triangle can have two acute angles. Yes, a triangle can have two acute angles. Suppose right angle triangle you take it. It is a 90 degrees. The remaining two are acute angles only. Then only it forms a triangle. A triangle can have two obtuse angles. No, it is also a false. A triangle cannot have a two obtuse angles. Obtuse angle in the sense more than 90 degrees. Suppose this is one acute angle, obtuse angle. Suppose 120 degrees. And what can you say about the remaining two angles then? If it is a one more obtuse angle here more than 90 degrees, it makes see it cannot form a triangle first. A triangle cannot have a more than two obtuse angles. It can have one obtuse angle, then remaining two should be acute angles. Then only it makes a triangle. And fourth one, each angle of a triangle can be less than 60 degrees. No, it is also false. Each angle, each and every angle, if you take less than 60 degrees, see, suppose you are taking 59 degrees, 59 degrees and 59 degrees. See what happens, sum of this will give us 177 degrees. Yes, so it cannot form a triangle. So if it is a triangle, sum of three angles equal to 180 degrees, not more than 180, not less than 180. So it is a true or false. Only second statement is true, the other statements are all false. Then the question number 6. We'll go through the question number 6 here. The angles of the triangles are in the ratio 1:2:3. Then find the angles. The angles given ratio is ratio of angles equal to 1:2:3. The given ratio is 1:2:3. Then we need to find the angles. Here, if the angles of the triangles are in the ratio 1:4:5, there is one more question also here similar to this. So I will be doing here itself. Question number 10. Question number 10. If both similarly one after one, I will do it step by step so that you can understand very well. So the given ratio of the angles. Ratio of angles equal to 1:4:5. So what we need to in this case? So the three angles are in the ratio 1:2:3. Here the three angles are in the ratio 1:4:5. So what we need to do it? Here we have to, whenever he gives, we have to go for sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio equal to, that means here what we have, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that equal to 5, 6. That means the complete angle, sum of three angles equal to sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. That means this 180 degrees divided into 6 equal parts. From that, one part is given to first angle, 2 parts are given to second angle, 3 parts are given to the third angle. In that way we need to be understand. Okay. Here also same. Okay. Sum of the ratio we have to do it. Sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio, what you get here? 1 plus 4 plus 5. That equal to 10. That equal to 10. See that here sum of three angles equal to, we know that sum of any three angles of a triangle, sum of three angles equal to 180 degrees. Here 180 degrees in this triangle, this 180 degrees is divided into 10 equal parts. From that, one part is given to first angle. Here 4 parts are given to the second angle, 5 parts are given to the third angle. So the dividing parts are different. That's only ratio is different. The remaining all same. Okay. The first angle equal. First angle what is took only one part out of 6 parts into, from total 180 degrees. From total 180 degrees, it took one out of 6 parts. So 6 ones are 6 3s are 18 and 0. That equal to 1 into 30 degrees is equal to 30 degrees. Given ratio by sum of the ratio into 180. Simple. This is. Then second angle is equal to. Second angle took only 2 parts out of 6 parts into 180 degrees. 6 ones are already we cancel, 6 30s are 2 into 30. That equal to 60 degrees. Then third angle equal to. Here he took 3 parts out of 6 parts into 180 degrees. 6 ones are 6 30s are. That means 3 into 30 degrees, that equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, the three angles of a triangle, therefore the three angles of triangle is equal to 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. In the same way we have to solve this. See, here FIR, first angle took only one part out of 10 parts into 180 degrees. Here 10 ones are 10 80s are. Therefore 1 into 18 degrees equal to 18. Then second angle took 4 parts. 4 by out of 10 into 180 degrees. 10 ones are 10 18 degrees are 180 degrees. Then 4 into 18, that is equal to 72 degrees. Then third angle equal, third angle took 5 parts. So 5 out of 10 parts into 180 degrees. Given ratio by sum of the ratio into 180. Given ratio by sum of the ratio into 180. This is the formula you remember. 1s are 80. So here 5 into 80 degrees, that is equal to 90 degrees. So I hope you understood these two problems which are similar, 6th one and 10th one. Okay, then the remaining problems we will discuss here. Okay, then the question number 7. Question number 7. See that the question will be like this. I will be drawing here diagram. You look at your textbook, page number 101 only. Here A, D, B, C and E. It is a X, it is Z. Here 50 degrees, it is Y and it is 30 degrees. Okay. Then we need to find out here X, Y, Z values. In this we need to find out the X, Y, Z values. We go for that first thing. See that here DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. If DE is parallel to BC, see that these angles are called as a corresponding angles. Okay, these are the angles are called as a corresponding angle. That means Y equal to 50 degrees, X equal to Z degrees. So according to the corresponding angles, already we know the meaning of corresponding angles. In the lines and angles chapter, we already discussed about the corresponding angles. Or not, you go to the video of lines and angles. There you can understand what is meaning of corresponding angles, alternative interior angles, alternative exterior angles, and vertically opposite angles. About these, we already discussed about in the topic of lines and angles video. So here we go for that. Y equal to 50 degrees, here X equal to Z. If you know the X value, you know the Z value also, because if these two are parallel, then these two lines are called as a transversals. If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then corresponding angles are equal. So that's why these two are corresponding and these two are corresponding. In triangle now, we need to take in triangle ADE. In this triangle, see that in triangle ADE, sum of three angles equal to 180 degrees. What are the three angles here? Angle A plus angle D plus angle E. Angle A plus angle D plus angle E equal to 180 degrees. So let's go for that. Here A equal to 30 degrees, here Y degrees. A equal to 30 degrees plus angle D is Y plus angle E is X equal to 180 degrees. But see that here Y equal to what? Already we got Y equal to 50 degrees. This we write Y equal to 50 degrees. 30 degrees plus 50 degrees plus X equal to 180 degrees. 30 plus 50 will give us sum is 80. 80 plus X equal to 180 degrees. So this 80 degrees you transfer this side, hence X equal to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees. where x equal to 100 degrees. Already we got y value, now we got x value. Already told you x and z are corresponding angles when the DE is parallel to BC, CE is a transversal, and these two angles are corresponding angles. So if angle x equal to 100 degrees, then z is also equal to 100 degrees. There y equal to already given 50 degrees. So we got all the values x, y and z. Okay, then this is what the question number 7. I hope you understood or not. See the videos of lines and angles video so that you can understand the meaning of the corresponding angles, alternative angles. These all topics I have discussed in the video. In the lines and angles chapter itself we have learned. So we go for question number 8. In question number 8. So here triangle it is C. Here it is C. Here it is B. Here it is given 96 degrees, and here there is some angles, and here there is some angle. Let's see that here what is given angle. Here this is D, angle BDC. Okay, angle B to D, D to C. This is angle BDC. This angle is 96 degrees, and also what he gave angle ABD. Angle ABD. This ABD, this angle ABD is equal to 3 times of angle DAB. DAB. Then find. See that this is what given that. Here given this is RTP required to prove. Required to find here RTP required to find required to prove, that is find angle ABD. Angle ABD. This angle we need to find out. Okay. Then okay, let's find out this. We'll see that what we are going to be do it here. Then we'll take it here. If it's we go for the proof now, we are going to be find out the solution. We know that sum of these two angles equal to 180 degrees. So if it is 96 degrees, there should become something here. Yes, what should come here? Here if it is come 84 degrees again. 0, 1, yes, 180, 84 degrees should come here. Let's find out that only here. Okay, by the linear pair condition. It is a linear pair angles. It have a common arm and common vertex. So here I will write in this way. Angle ADB or BDA, angle B to D, D to A, BDA plus angle BDC equal to 180 degrees. Sum of these two angles equal to 180 degrees. So already BDC angle is given, that is 96 degrees. Let us substitute here angle BDA plus here 96 degrees equal to 180 degrees. This 96 degrees will transfer this side. Angle BDA equal to 180 degrees minus 96 degrees. Okay, then we'll get here angle BDA is equal to 84 degrees. So here we got a 84 degrees. Now if it is 84 degrees, see that here angle B is thrice 3 times extra than this. Angle here ABD equal to this, ABD equal to 3 times of DAB. This is 3 times of this. So suppose let us assume like that I'll tell you simply here. Let us assume that here angle ABD, this A to B, B to D, this angle ABD equal to X. Then here this is we need to assume like a X. See, then we get the angle. Here angle, this angle will assume like a X. What angle BAB equal to X will assume. Here D to A to B. This angle if it is X, see that what it will be here. This is angle ABD equal to, given that here angle ABD equal to 3 times of DAB. Okay, next you will get here angle ABD equal to 3 into this value we have assumed like a X, so 3x. Simple, that is what I told you. If it is X, this is 3 times more, 3x. Yes, we got it this. Now if you see clearly, here we have a triangle ABD triangle. In the triangle ABD, sum of these 3 angles equal to 180 degrees, no? Okay, in triangle ABD, sum of 3 angles equal to 180 degrees. What are the 3 angles? Let us add here. X plus 3x plus 84. X plus 3x plus 84 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Yes, x plus 3x, that is 4x plus 84 degrees equal to 180 degrees. This 84 you transfer this side, then 4x equal to 180 minus 84. Then 4x equal to 96 degrees. Here x equal to 96 degrees by 4. 4 ones are 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 24. X equal to 24 degrees. X equal to 24 degrees in the sense, this is what we need actually. What? ABD equal to. And triangle ABD equal to what is 3 times of angle DAB. Or not? Here ABD equal to already we got as a 3x. Nothing but here also we get same thing. Here 3 into DAB is x is nothing but a DAB. This value is 24 degrees. That equal to 72 degrees. So this angle will be a 72 degrees because it is a 24 degrees. 24 3s are 72 degrees. Or a simple way I can also tell you this. See that from here. See what I will tell you. This is 84 degrees, okay? Then you assume this is x and this is 3x. If it is x, it is 3 times more than that. So 3x. So see that it is an external angle 96, no? This 96 equal to what? Sum of these two angles. What? X plus 3x. Both you add it, you get 4x, that equal to 96 degrees. Here you get 24. X equal to 24 degrees. If it is x equal to 24, it will be a 72 degrees. So angle here ABD equal to 24 degrees. So in the simple way we can do it in this way. Or not, this is a procedure like sum of 3 angles equal to 180 degrees. 2 angles are x plus 3x, 4x plus 84 equal to 180. Then 84 you transfer, you will get a 96 degrees and find out the x value. If you get a x value, it's nothing but a angle A. But we need angle B, no? Angle B is 3 times more than that. If we got 24 degrees, more than 3 times more than 24 in the sense, 3 times of 24 is, that is 72 degrees. So in that way we can complete our question number 8. Then we go for question number 9. So the given things we have to write very carefully here. In triangle PQR is set. Okay, let's draw the triangle. This is a P, it is Q, It is R. Angle P. Here given that what is giving, let us write here, angle P is equal to twice the angle Q. Angle P is double than angle Q. If angle Q is x, the P is 2x. Then 2 times of angle R is equal to 3 times of angle Q. 3 times of angle Q. Calculate the angles of PQR. So we need to find out the angles in the PQR. So let us find out here RTP. First we required to find. What we need to find out? 3 angles of triangle PQR. 3 angles we need to find out. Okay. Let us here angle Q, if you assume like a x, let us I will go for, suppose angle Q equal to, if you assume like a x, let us assume that angle Q equal to x. Let us assume that angle Q equal to x. Then here from the given that angle P is what? Twice the angle Q is said. So here angle P equal to what then? 2 into x. So angle P will be 2x. Angle Q is x, angle P is 2x. So next what he gave, the second one, this one we have to take. Here twice the angle R is equal to thrice the angle Q. Twice the angle. Here angle Q equal to, already we have seen that is as a x. So 3 into it is x. This 2 you transfer here, 2 is multiplying, so 2 will be divided. That equal to 3x by 2. Okay, we got here angle P, angle Q and angle R. Angle R is how much here? 3x by 2. Need not to worry, it is in a fraction, like we can solve in the same method what we have. Sum of 3 angles equal to sum of 3 angles of triangle PQR is equal to 180 degrees. No? So let us write what are the angle here? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. Angle P is what here? 2x. Angle here, angle P is 2x. Angle Q is x. Angle R is 3x by 2. That equal to 180 degrees. So we write by 1 and by 1 we will take a LCM in the denominator. See, here LCM you get 2. So let us do it. 1 2s are 2. Then 2 into 2, that is 4x. See, 1 2s are 2. This 2 into x is 2x plus 2 1s are 2. This 1 into 3x. Whatever, how many times is possible we need to check. Here 1 2s are 2. This 2 into numerator. 1 2s are 2. This 2 into numerator. 1x is there. 2 into x, that is 2x. Here 2 1s are 2. This 1 into 3x, that is 3x. In this way we need to do it. That equal to 180 degrees. Always you have to follow the same method. Here 2 is dividing, will transfer. It become a multiplication. 4x plus 2x, 6x. 6x plus 3x, that is 9x equal to 180 degrees into 2. This 2 is dividing, it will become multiplication. So 9 also you transfer here. X equal to 180 degrees into 2 by 9. 9 is multiplying, it become a division. 9 ones are 9 2s, that is 20. So x equal to 20 degrees into 2. X equal to 40 degrees. X equal to 40 degrees systems. Remember, x equal to 40 degrees. X in the sense what here? Angle Q. Angle Q equal to 40 degrees. Then angle P equal to what actually? Angle P equal to 2x. That is 2 into x value is what? 2 into x value, that is 40 degrees. That equal to 80 degrees. That means angle P equal to 80 degrees. Angle Q equal to 40 degrees. Then angle R equal to what actually? Angle R equal to, we got here 3x by 2. Now see that 3 into x is 40 degrees by 2. 2 ones are 220 are. That means here angle R equal to 3 into 20, that is 60 degrees. Angle P 80, angle Q. Angle P 80 degrees, angle Q that is 40 degrees, angle R equal to 60 degrees. 80 plus 40, 120, 120 plus 60, 180. Satisfied? See that. In this way, in a simple way, we can solve this all the problems. So just you need to be practiced, because these problems makes you have a good knowledge in the next further classes. There you will never feel any difficult to solve these kind of problems, like whenever the triangle spaced problems you get, you will never feel a difficult in the next class. So already 10th question we have solved. Yes. So we have some more problems of question number 11, 12 and 13. So we'll go for that now. Already 10th question I have solved. We are moving for 11th one. The angle, acute angle of a right angle triangle. So the acute angles of right triangle, right triangle in the ratio or in the ratio are in the ratio 2:3. Only acute angles in the right triangle. So if suppose it is a right angle triangle, A, B, C is a right angle triangle. We know angle B is 90 degrees. So we will not be discussing about the angle B. Here, these two are the acute angles. Yes, what they are called as a acute angles. So these two acute angles are in the ratio 2:3. So one of the acute angle, like angle A is 2 and angle B equal to 3, let us assume. Okay. Then, so we know that here, suppose the ratios, let us assume here angle A is to angle B equal to 2:3. Suppose here angle C, let us assume, and here we give us B and here is C. Here A, B, C will be it. So angle A and angle B, this is in 2 and this is 3 parts, suppose. Okay, then we see that angle A and angle B in the ratio 2:3. Then here angle C is 90 degrees. That means sum of these two angles should be equal to 90 degrees. So sum of the ratio, will do it first. Sum of the ratio. Whenever they give the ratio, we have to go for sum of the ratio. Here angle A plus angle B is equal to what? 2 plus 3 equal to 5 parts. Yes. So when you add this ratio, you get 5 parts. So add these both angles, what you get? Here suppose some angle and here suppose angle. Here already 90 degrees is there. More 90 degrees we have to get. So sum of the angles. Here sum of the ratio here. A is to B. Sum of the ratio it is. So here sum of the angle we are doing. Sum of the ratio, sum of the angles, both are different. Okay. Here 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Here sum of the angles. Angle A plus angle B is equal to sum of the both angles will give us 90 degrees only. Because remaining 90 degrees was taken by angle C. The rest of 90 degrees will be shared by here A and B both. But this A and B are angles are in the ratio 2:3. That means the sum of the ratio is 5. That means here 90 degrees is divided into the 5 equal parts. 90 degrees divided into the 5 equal parts. From the 2 parts are given to angle A and 3 parts are given to angle B. So let's go for angle A equal to, what is the given ratio here? 2. By sum of the ratio is 5 into 90 degrees. Here 5 ones are 5, 4 left, 5 8s are, that equal to 2 into 18 degrees, that equal to 36 degrees. Then angle B equal to, as taken which is 3 parts out of 5 parts into 90 degrees. 1s are 18s are, that equal to 3 into 18 degrees, that equal to 54 degrees. Therefore the other two acute angles are, add this both you will get 90 degrees. Therefore, the two acute angles of the right triangle is equal to 36 degrees comma 54 degrees. Okay, this is the answer. Once again you look at. So simple, angle A and angle B are in the ratio 2:3. Then sum of the ratio, whenever they give the ratio, you do the sum of the ratio when you know the sum of the angles. Okay, so you go for that. Given ratio 2 by sum of ratio 5 into total 90 degrees. The 90 degrees are shared by these two angles. The 90 degrees also divided into the 5 parts. Okay, then only 2 more questions are left. That is 12th one. Here let me draw the 12th one. Here P, Q and R, L and M. Here LM is parallel to QR. Let me write here in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, right angle Q equal to 90 degrees is given, and ML, this is parallel to RQ, and angle, here see that LMR, angle L to M, M to R, this is 130 degrees. LMR is equal to 130 degrees. Then find out CRTP. We need to find out the 3 angles in this question. Okay, what are the first one? See, angle LPM, angle LPM, and the second one angle PML, and third one angle PRQ. These are the angles we need to find out. Okay, let us do it here. So one by one, see that first one LPM, this angle we need to find out, and PML, and this angle we need to find out. First we will find out this angle, second proof we will go further. Okay, before we go into this, okay, we go for the second one, proof number 2. Okay, the proof, directly I will go for the proofs. See that sum of these two angles will give us 180 degrees. Sum of these two angles will give us 180 degrees. What are the two angles here? Angle LMR plus here PML is equal to 180 degrees. Sum, when you add this, it gives us a semicircle, so 180 degrees. Here already LMP is given 130 degrees. You take here 130 degrees plus angle PML is equal to 180 degrees. This 130 degrees you transfer this side. Angle PML is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. The answer will be getting here PML equal to 50 degrees. Okay, the second proof is completed here. PML equal to, it is 50 degrees. So next, what we need to find out here? See, this P we need to find out. To find out the P in the triangle PML, we require this angle also. See, here ML is parallel to RQ. So here LQ is a transversal. LQ is a transversal. So here angle L is equal to angle Q. These are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. See. So we get angle L equal to this angle L equal to angle Q, that is already given. Angle Q is 90 degrees here. So angle Q equal to angle L equal to also 90 degrees. So here we got 90 degrees. Now we can find out angle P. Angle P we can find out in triangle. The first one we are going to find out LPM, this triangle. So the angle PML. In triangle PML, sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees. So sum of three angles equal to 180 degrees. That is angle P plus here angle PM. Angle P in the sense I would like to write the full name which we need to find out here. Angle LPM plus angle M in the sense angle PML plus angle PLM equal to 180 degrees. So this is we need to find, these two are already given. This is 50 degrees and 90 degrees. Angle LPM plus here M is 50 degrees plus L is 90 degrees, that equal to 180 degrees. Angle LPM plus the sum will give us 90 plus 150, that sorry 90 plus 50 is 140 equal to 180 degrees. This 140 degrees to transfer this side. Angle LPM is equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. Then angle LPM equal to 40 degrees. Then first one also proved. The last one angle R we need to find out. See, in triangle PQR, this is 40 degrees, this is 90 degrees. So 130 degrees are completed. The remaining we are going to get, that is 50 degrees. That is what we need to find out here. Let us find out in triangle PQR, sum of three angles equal to sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. What are the three angles here? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is nothing but PRQ, that equal to 180 degrees. Angle P is what here? 40 degrees, just now we got it. Angle Q is nothing but already given in the question 90 degrees. Angle PRQ equal to 180 degrees. 40 plus 1, 90, that is 130 degrees plus angle PRQ equal to 180 degrees. This 30 degrees to transfer the side. Angle PRQ equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. Angle PRQ equal to 50 degrees. Hence, the third one is also completed here. See that how did I solve this completely? So this is the process you need to be complete. Very simple. Only the meaning we need to get an idea how to solve it. Only sum of three angles, interior angles, exterior angles, okay, corresponding angles. So these are the concepts we are getting in this, already well known concepts only, that we need to be applied here. That's it. Let's solve the 13th question. There is a figure like this. Let's find out here A, B, C, D and E. Here they have given 1, 2, 3. Very easy question. 4 and 5. We need to find out angle 1 plus, angle 2 plus, angle 3 plus, angle 4 plus, angle 5. What is the sum of this? So what is the sum of these angles we need to find out. See that when you add these three angles, you will get 180 degrees. So you just go through that, you divide into like this. So here 180 degrees will get, here 180 degrees will get, here 180 degrees will get. Completely it will become 540 degrees. So you do this problem as a homework clearly again, so that you can understand more very better way. So this you go for the clear way again. So I have given a clue for this question. Then with this exercise is get completed. I hope you understood well. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all. Bye.